Hey, didn't see you there. How you doing? I'm Blaine, a disability equality trainer at the CRPD in Malta, and I'm on the autism spectrum. I'm here to share an exciting update about Activate, a project all about promoting autistic people's advocacy work and training autistic youth to advocate for their own rights, as well as helping others like themselves. As you may already know, April is Autism Acceptance Month, a time to recognize, educate, and highlight what it really means to be autistic, led and delivered by those who know it best, autistic people. To mark the occasion, we're launching our official Activate campaign across Europe to move from acceptance to action. We've got some awesome activities lined up, including the hashtag MyAutismJourney campaign, real stories from autistic people sharing their experiences, various fun social media quizzes to test your knowledge, information on famous autistic people, and plenty of ways for you to get involved. We'd love for you to be a part of this. Your voice matters, and together we can promote understanding about what autism really is. So let's make this a great Autism Month. So keep an eye out on our website and follow us on our social media to get involved. Thank you for helping us create a better future for autistic people, and we look forward to keeping you updated with the progress of Activate.